It's definitely not too late to get vaccinated. There's appointments today, there's appointments tomorrow available, pharmacies, clinics.
As people gather with loved ones for the holiday season, the province is encouraging Manitobans to get their COVID-19 vaccines and influenza shots to protect the most vulnerable community members. Minister of Health, Seniors and Long-Term Care, Uzoma Asagwara, says that adult and pediatric intensive care units have seen an increase in the number of patients presenting with illnesses like RSV and in the acuity of the infections.
In particular, at the ICU at the Children's Hospital, we're seeing kids and we're seeing infants who are very sick and who are in need of critical care. It's so important that we think about kids and folks who are vulnerable and need us to protect them.
Chief Provincial Public Health Officer Dr. Brent Rusin says ICUs are over capacity in Manitoba, saying it is especially concerning as the province still hasn't reached its previous peak with the illnesses and an increase in patients is still expected. He says there are ongoing plans to bolster capacity throughout the system and provide care to Manitobans.
And we're ensuring there's going to be adequate space available for Manitobans who do need that critical care.
Rusin says there will be continuous reassessments to know whether to scale up or down depending on the level of care needed. He says they are also working with provincial partners to increase capacity for patient transfers to ensure appropriate flow and spaces for those who need them. He says staffing levels remain stable at the moment. The province is asking frontline healthcare workers that are able to consider picking up shifts over the holidays as the system relies greatly on them.
We need to scale up that capacity and we need that staff to continue providing the excellent care that they have been for Manitobans for so long now.
Asagwara says taking active steps to protect one's health and that of others also protects the system's capacity to provide care to the most critical patients.
We have learned a lot from the pandemic, and it's important that we apply the lessons that we learned during the pandemic, which is why we're out here encouraging people to be proactive as we head into the holidays.
In Winnipeg, Temi Olatunde, City News.